Hi, I'm Ria and today I'll be introducing the Queenie in 2 shades of pink in leather and suede and black and white. So, if I get the black and white Queenie up first and show you on the close-up. Now, we did these to evoke the 1920s and the 1930s style shoe, and I just absolutely adore that front piece there. If I show you on the close-up, that is just such a stunning feature. They just have so much elegance, so much class. That heel as well, absolutely beautiful. And I'll show you here, it's got a gorgeous T-bar and just a very simple buckle detail. Now, if I bring up the 2 shades of pink on the close-up there as well, it'll come through in a minute. It will do. Okay, so these are suede and leather. Again, if you see it, it's got that beautiful detailing at the front. These are my favourite out of the 2, and yeah, I think there's so many different ways that you can style these, but I'll go on to that in a minute. Again, the same buckle detail and just such a beautiful, elegant, dainty heel. And if I show you them together, they both just complement each other so well. So, with these shoes, I would say they are a bit more of a dressy kind of shoe. You could definitely dress them down and wear them for the office. You could wear a simple pair of nice classic trousers. They'd look good with some nice flares because you've got the heel detailing there as well. But I do think these are the perfect evening out. If you're going out to a nice event, these shoes will do so well. So they are available on the website at www.modshoes.co.uk.